Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to alphabetize AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts, and Subscriptions. Select Inbox. Now under Inbox, you can see there are two icons on the top right corner. Then right below there, you're gonna find few categories like Inbox, Start, Unread, Attachments, etc. Select Inbox again. Now below those categories, on the right side, you'll see Edit option. Tap on it, then select Sender. Now, once you tap on Sender, you'll find that the mails on your AOL Mail will be alphabetized. And guys, that's it. That's how you alphabetize AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.